Hey y'all, Space Head Dipper here, dipping some grizzly, wire coat wintergreen. Come and do a bit of an unboxing slash unpackaging video for you. But before I do that, the shirt I'm wearing is a U.S. Airborne Death from Above t-shirt that they came in one of the shirts that my sister's friend's mother sent me. Her brother outgrown them, so they went ahead and gave them to me. So yeah, coming unboxed, the Camillus carnivore. So I picked this up for, it was $29.97 plus tax, so say like 30 something. Not a bad price. Before I open it, let's go through the features. Digging, cutting, chisel, wire cutting, titanium bonded, 440 stainless steel, multi-grain blade, chisel cutting and sewing, integrated wire cutter, lifetime warranty. I wonder how good that is. But I sound like a bit of a dumbass, that's because I'm like really fucking tired today. Had to find a knife. This will work perfectly. Actually, I may not need a knife. I don't know. I'm not sure. No, I don't think I need a knife. But we'll see. If I do, I do. Yeah, I may need a knife. Should be good. I like the way they package these things to make sure nobody can steal them. Or make sure kids can't open them. And keep out Al-Qaeda. So, this is what it looks like. Very, very well balanced just from taking it out of the box. Sharp blade. It's really fucking awesome. But I wonder how this wire cutter works. It's a mystery all in itself. So, we'll go ahead and it does come with the sheath, which I like. So, I was going to get the SOG, what was it? I can't remember. But it was a SOG spring-assisted knife that they had there. And I fucking got lied to because the first person that scanned it told me it was $29.97. And then the second lady said it was $49.97. So I was like, what the fuck? So I went ahead and went with the Camillus, or I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. I think it's Camillus carnivore. So yeah, I've been wanting this knife, or this whatever it's called, for a long time, but didn't really have the money. But I noticed that this was actually a lot cheaper at the Walmart I bought it from, so yeah. I thank my little sister for loaning me the money to get this. This is fucking nice, dude. I swear. This would probably be like a woodland tool or outdoors tool, especially when I go up to Missouri, because where my aunt lives it's nothing but woods. So this will actually work really good, and I can get some good testing on it. Sorry about that. A little tobacco went down my throat. So yeah, this is Space Head Dipper signing out.